with a student here. I was once a college. College ba kayo? Oh, okay. O may sabihin ko high school or ano. I was once a college student, no? At nung college ako, gustong-gusto ko magnegosyo. Marami akong ginagawa sa school, no, sa college ko, that would give me money, no? So while I'm a business management student. Sino rito business management? Marketing. There you go. Nurse? Please answer me. At the back, ano pong kurso nyo? Telephone communication. Which is, ano? Anong ginagawa nyo sa telepono? Development. So you do communication. Mass communication, no? Tulungan nyo nga ako. Please give one person, please stand up. Explain to me what's your course at the back.
Teacher education.
Oo nga, kasi magtatanong ako ng ibang kurso. Kailangan tayong mag-connect eh. Kasi kung magiging alien yung sasabihin ko sa inyo, it's useless, di ba? I need to connect with you, no? Who has... Doon sa mga taga-communication, tama ba ako? Telephone...
Science in development communication. We communicate specific po, kasi pag mass-com in general term. Sa amin po ni-resolve po namin yung mga far-flung areas for the purpose of development. Ganun po. Tapos, we use any resource, any visual aid po na pwedeng gamitin for communication. Kasi po sa mass-com, yung...
Nahiya ako sa sarili ko. Akala ko telephone ko. So, yeah, thank you. I love that. So, it's more on communication. Hindi telepono. Nahiya ako doon. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hindi ko mean na ichok-chok yung ano yun. Pero, communication, okay? Communication, no? And any form of visual or any form or media to communicate, right? Doon po sa taga-marketing, sino po dito ang marketing? May somebody ask, raise a hands. Yes, nag-iisa lang po kayo. So it has a relationship with business. I can identify with you. Now, some of the people here, majority are you on development communication.
Gidancillo. Exactly. I have an inquiry ng Gancillo 2 years ago in Europe. Yes, in Europe. Gancillo and Burda. Dalawa yun.
Cross-stitch ba?
Wala masyado sa cross-stitch because originally cross-stitch is not from the Philippines. Mas may magagaling na mag-cross-stitch sa Malaysia, India yata. Hindi masyado. But I have an inquiry of Gancillo. Yung talagang ginanchilyo ng nanay natin, nakita nyo yun yung isang buong mantel na gano'n, tapos bumaksak na gano'n. Ganun-ganun curtain. At actually, ang nag-ano sa akin, designer ng damit. Somebody asked me designer ng damit. I was frantically looking for somebody who can ganchilyo something for me as a sample. Wala ako makita. I have to go to Paiti daw or Taal to have that manggaganchilyo or maglalagay ng beads. Europe inquiry, hindi ko na-sustain, hindi ko nabigay. It's science. But anyway, sa Amerika, ang mga designers,
Food products.
food products. Actually, I've seen that as a sample with Cheryl, ano? And sa totoo lang, I'm trying to research. I will not give a definite answer to it now because I'm in the process of researching that product. But Baguio is known for their strawberry jam. Okay, and I also know in US, yung strawberry po doon ay ang sama po ng lasa. Hindi po siya strawberry. Mukha lang siya strawberry, but it does not really taste like strawberry. I am so disappointed. Yeah, yes sir.
I think that will depend upon the country. Kasi once you enter food sa isang country, there are some restrictions. So I think that's where the
well, that is part of, now we have two questions that is related to one another. No? As far as the food product in Cordillera is concerned, I am in the process of researching the viability. That's viability. How is it being attractive? No, is it attractive in the international market? That is the first question. And the second question is a matter of restriction. Because, tama siya, some countries do not allow an entry of food to come in. Okay? So that's another research to do. Okay? And that is possible online, no? That research, no? Now, as far as viability, I would like to answer that because you have to know first the viability before getting into the prohibition in entry as far as custom is concerned, di ba? Actually, I know that the strawberry here is so sarap talaga and I can be proud of it and it is known to be part. Here, Baguio, when you say Baguio, that's already enough. And do you know how many overseas workers we have right now? Who has millions. Actually, ang income po ng Pilipinas, 1/4% is coming from our relatives, Filipino relatives abroad.
Manila, pero bakit ka bumibili dito? Baguio.
Oo nga, no? Yes, sir.
Doon siguro papasok yung branding kasi I think BSU has the
Wait,
quality.
you first. I'll get back to you. Yes, sir.
Isa din technology sa quality ito dito.
Iba-iba. Okay. I like that. Yes. Quality and technology. Are you saying that the peanut brittle in Baguio is better than the peanut brittle in Manila? Yes. Okay. So that's it. Huh? So sell peanut butter. Sell peanut brittle. Okay? Because if you are so confident with what you have here, that's why the Manileños and the foreigners are buying it here.
As he said also, it's more quality. Like if for example peanut brittle or other products, you also have Good Shepherd in Baguio, or it's either BSU for the products.
So knowing your product, no? Knowing your product, no? So evaluate on that, no? Ayoko magaling sa lahat dito kasi sa totoo lang, I am in the process of researching to support or help you guys, no? Once you sell, then you have to differentiate yourself from the rest. You have to make it different. Dati sabi ko sa kanila, yes, that's true yan. Yeah, that's another thing. That's why there is some recommendation for the site, no? Eto, okay, thank you for bringing that up, no? What is the difference between having a website and having a site that are already paying as far as searchability is concerned? In the Philippines, it's a go to shipping, so I will be very fast now. In shipping, there is a length of time that needed to be considered as part of what we call transit. No? So, habang tumatagal po, or habang bumibilis, nagiging mura o nagiging mahal ang shipping, which is kalahati po ng cost ng tao na bibili po sa atin online. So, I am giving you that data as a raw data that I would give to you. I could not give a proper conclusion right now. I don't want to mislead anybody. But you, as a person living here, no,